Okay, so I figured I would go ahead and record because I had to go pick up some things for my hair because I ran out. In the last video, I mentioned that I was using certain products because I had run out of others, and that after I finished retying my hair, which I still haven't finished doing, this part still needs to be done, but there's the rest of it is down in the back that I finished. So I still have half to do, but I needed when I finally finished retying it, I need to wash it, and I need like some sulfate and shampoo and like a clarifying shampoo, and I didn't have any, so I left out. But then while I was out, I realized I didn't have a foam out if I was gonna record, so I went into Five and Below and I got this and this foam out. So we're gonna test those out right now to see how they work. And then this not even fully closed. I got this for my tablet because that's what I was recording on earlier. So let's see how this works. Okay, so let's see how this one works. I can't use the, well, maybe not can't, but it wasn't as convenient to use this vent one because my vents are like straight up and down. So I don't think this one is gonna work for mine unless I put it on the other side, but we're gonna try this, the one that's a clip. It was $5, so we'll see how that lasts. I'm on my way to the beauty supply store that I like to go to so that I can find the shampoos that I need. I might also get some oils because I've run out of those too. Like jojoba oil, at least I think that's how it's pronounced. Maybe an olive oil. I don't know. I need stuff. So we are going to drive there. I was sitting up here at this light and this Uber right in front of me. It's so weird. Like, I used to do that all the time to make money. I tried it again a couple days ago, and they are really playing games with the pay for that. I haven't tried DoorDash, but I do have a bunch of other like gig kind of apps, so I might do a video about that too, because I kind of want to see if I can make some little side money so we can speed up this debt payoff process. But when I tried it the other day, I only did it for like a couple hours, but it's not nearly as good as it was before. Like, most of it is solely reliant on the tips. It's like Uber will pay $3, like that's how much they're paying, but they'll send you a like a match, or they'll send you an order for $7, but you have to drive like 10 miles. And so they're paying $3, but the other $4 is what you're supposed to be expecting from the customer. So they'll tell you like, oh, you're gonna get $7, and like in little fine print it'll say it includes expected tip. So let's say you take that order. I mean, I wouldn't recommend it because it's not a dollar amount anyway, but let's say you take that order, this $7 order for 10 miles, and then you go and you drop it off and the customer decides not to give you the tip because they can change the tip or remove it completely. They have up to an hour after you delivered the order to decide if they're going to tip you or leave the tip on there that they had initially set up. And so if they decide not to tip, then you just drove 10 miles for $3. Like, that's bold. I understand the premise because it's a business. Like, they have to make money too, but it still has to be worth it for the driver. So right now, I don't really think it would be as beneficial as it was when I was doing it pre-pandemic. I mean, before during the pandemic and a little before the pandemic started. Now post-pandemic, it's, I don't really see anybody being able to make a living off of that. But I don't know. I've watched other people on YouTube make a living off of it, but they multi-app and they have other jobs as well. So, I mean, I suppose it's possible, but they're also on YouTube. So it's more likely that whatever they don't make driving Uber, they can recover some of that by doing the videos. So I don't know, we'll see. Maybe one day I will try it for just a few hours that I'm out. Because I do have about 8,000 in credit cards that we're working on paying off right now. Maybe I'll talk about that a little more later too in like a separate video. But for this one, we are gonna focus on getting into this beauty supply store. Okay, so I don't necessarily like filming in stores, or at very least I'm not comfortable with that yet, but I will show y'all what I got. I found this lock, twist, and braid from Sulfurate oil that I've never tried before. I didn't even know they had that, so I'm gonna try that. I got Curls Blueberry Bliss hair scalp oil, so I'm gonna try this. That's gonna go in the spray water bottle. We needed more Vaseline in the car, like a little one, so I got that. And then I got a detox tea cleanser. They say it's for after you take down your braids and stuff, but I just needed a clarifying shampoo, and I haven't tried this one yet, so I feel like that's what this will do, because it's supposed to rid the scalp and hair of buildup. So I needed this for my locks. And then I got the Sulfurate. Usually I get the blue one because sometimes I use it on my son's head, but I didn't feel like it this time, so I got the yellow one. And then I remembered that I have to go pick up some stuff from the dry cleaner, so we're gonna go do that now. And then feel like that'll be it for today. Okay, so while I was driving, my phone overheated because of where it's sitting in the on the dashboard in the car, and I did not realize that that was going to be a thing. So I might find another place to sit it. Then again, I might not, because when we're doing, well, I guess I could find another place to sit it because the phone does connect to the car when you're doing like ride share and whatnot. That's what we're using to pay off some extras, so it could just play through the car. So maybe I won't move it, but I had to turn the air on and then it stopped recording because obviously it's saying that the phone is overheating. Either way, I made it to the cleaners, so I'm not gonna take you in the cleaner. Okay, so that cleaners is really quick. They even have like same day cleaning, so I just come here even though we don't live on this side of town, but they do a really good job. My son somehow, I don't know, I guess maybe the gas pump got stuck, because this is why I'm picking up these suits in particular, that we had stopped to pump gas, and some kind of way I guess the pump nozzle got stuck and my son got gas all over his suit and my husband's suit. So I had to bring them to the cleaners. They did a pretty good job getting the smell out and the stains. So I got the suits. So I guess that'll be it for this video. Next one, I'll probably be washing my hair and deciding how I feel about the products that I'm gonna try this time. So thanks for watching. If you made it this far, like, subscribe, comment, turn on the notification bell, all of that extra whatnot. And I'll see you in the next one.